Powerful performance from the Lenovo Legion 55070. At its core, this laptop is about delivering uncompromising gaming experiences without sacrificing everyday usability. With its 14-inch display, you'll find a perfect balance between screen size and portability, making it easy to take on the go or settle in for an extended gaming session at home. Underpinnings of this gaming laptop are built around high-performance hardware that powers through demanding games with ease. A capable processor and ample memory ensure seamless multitasking, while dedicated graphics capabilities bring immersive visuals to life. The Lenovo Legion 55070's battery life is impressive, providing hours of continuous use on a single charge. This is crucial for gamers who often find themselves in situations where power outlets are scarce, like in online multiplayer matches or at music festivals. Aesthetic appeal plays a significant role in the overall value proposition of this laptop. Its striking design language and premium build quality make it stand out from more generic gaming laptops on the market. Ultimately, the Lenovo Legion 55070 is positioned as a versatile option for both casual gamers and serious enthusiasts alike, offering an unbeatable blend of performance, portability, and practicality.